durability, and versatility combined with General Steel RV garage kits. All-in-one steel-framed RV garage kits come in a variety of sizes and include everything you need to enclose your new garage, from sheet metal siding and roofing to all primary and secondary framing material. Enjoy the numerous benefits offered by steel construction, including faster build times, lower building maintenance, and a lower cost to insure your new garage. And every General Steel RV garage kit is covered by the industry's best structural warranty, lasting 50 years. Whether you'll be using your new garage to park a single, small, Class B camper, or you need a safe, secure place to store multiple fifth-wheel trailers, General Steel has you covered. Our team specializes in matching your needs with the ideal steel garage kit to suit your intended use, customized to include doors, windows, insulation, and other additions tailored to the way you plan on using your new RV garage. Class A, B, and C recreational vehicles have varying height requirements. Regardless which steel building format you choose, you'll need to make sure the doors themselves will accommodate the RV height. Truck campers, Class A, Class Super C, and fifth wheel RVs require at least 14 feet of door clearance. Class C, travel trailers, Class B, and B plus RVs need 12 feet of clearance. Lastly, light trailers and pop-up campers will need door clearances of at least 10 feet. For the ultimate in strength and durability, our I-beam steel garage kits are the best option. Sizes start at 20 feet by 20 feet, perfect for single car storage, and run all the way up to 40 feet by 60 feet, spacious enough to fit 3 extended cab pickup trucks. Size options are available at most increments of 10 feet in either length or width dimensions. C-channel steel garages are a lightweight alternative to I-beam construction and are an excellent economical choice for long-lasting, exceptionally strong steel buildings. C-channel garage kits from General Steel are available in 20 feet by 24 feet, 24 feet by 30 feet, 30 feet by 40 feet, and 30 feet by 52 feet. All that's needed to install a General Steel RV garage kit is a properly laid foundation and a qualified contractor. If you don't have either of these, don't worry. We can connect you with a local resource who can work with you to plan the construction of your steel garage from start to finish, in collaboration with your dedicated project coordinator here at General Steel. If you have a unique idea for a garage and you want to know if it's possible to build, chances are it can be done. We love making our customers' visions a reality using our deep knowledge of steel building design and engineering. Steel garages from General Steel give you the flexibility and customizability you simply can't find anywhere else. If you're looking for the best in steel-framed building kits, choose the company that has been delivering outstanding value and reliability for over 50 years, General Steel.